Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And as you know, we're continuing to build on our Duramax. We're non-stop. We're gonna get this thing knocked out. So good news, our sound material came in. So last time I got the 2 doors done, but now I can finalize them by putting the sound material in and actually put the covers back on. So that'd be great. I can get those doors knocked out and move on. Also, a TV came in for us for the head roof liner kind of thing. Check it out, guys.
It's like a flip down TV, right?
Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, I don't know, this one's actually pretty neat because it can hook up to your phone. It's got some apps in it. We'll check it out. Honestly, I have no idea about it, but there's a lot of different options you could have done. Leave some comments below, guys. Like I said, we love reading your comments. If we should have got the ones in the headrest or that style is better.
Since we got the headliner down,
exactly.
We might as well do some little thing on it. It doesn't have a sunroof, so.
Yeah, might as well have a TV or something there, you know, for the kids to watch, hang out. But, you know, going for a long road trip in the shop truck, but it's all good. We got some more material as well for the doors. Instead of that piece that came off, sealing it all up, this will also add for, I guess, sound barrier and everything like that. So
plus we got speakers to install.
Right, speakers and more of the roof we could do as well. So there's plenty of work. You know, why not? We got some parts in. We're gonna continue to build. It's not gonna stop us down. So hopefully it'll look a little different by the end of the episode. The only thing this thing is missing is the sound dampening material, and I'm ready to cover it up, so that's awesome. Let's go ahead and get this thing coated. I mean, you could tell they put it like a little piece of square right there, but that's not gonna fly. We're gonna make it way better. All right, guys, there we go. Got the driver door done. Looking pretty good. I'm happy with the results. I was able to get back there and basically put some sound dampening material in there. Awesome. Oh yeah, this door is gonna sound so much better. Sweet, let's get that speaker in and then we could finalize this cover. Well, still on the glass, but still moving forward. All right, guys, and there we go. We have it fully installed. Roof, bottom, cab, doors, all of it. And honestly, great stuff. It's really nice, easy to work with, very flexible, but very durable. Yeah, great company, Vibro, this noise dampening material stuff. I highly recommend it. It's my first time kind of dealing with this, but honestly, a great experience. Like I said, really looking forward to it. Already you could tell that it just sounds so much nicer, so much like more legit, you know, instead of like a hollow little piece of sheet metal. Now it's like, all right, something's there, so it's not like this little kid truck. It's gonna be good for sure, inside and out, all around.
I mean, the real test is gonna be when
we're driving it.
Driving it and sound system.
Yeah, for sure. Because I mean, even if you got like big mud tires and stuff, it's always loud. So I know this is gonna help already. So it was definitely a little bit of work, 100%. But I think it's been worth it at the end. You know, it's gonna raise it at bet on OEM. So. Yeah, shout out to Vibro Filter, kind of good company. If you ever do sound dampening, check them out. We'll leave a link down below for their website, but it's doing good. All right, guys, that is looking wonderful, but luckily our glass guys are coming around the corner, so let's go ahead and get that back glass done, and hopefully the other door will come in for glass as well. Oh yeah, you got it. Taking off the old glue. All right, back glass is looking great, fully installed. We're gonna let that dry for a while. I can put on my little back piece because my brother already painted that too. It's looking good. I could mount my motor properly and finish up the back seats. So that's pretty sweet. Moving forward on that, a lot of progress. And they also dropped off that front driver's side window glass for us as well. So I could go ahead and get that installed and button up my panel, put that on together and stuff too. So looking good, moving right along. Still need to do my passenger side, but we'll get that figured out. Basically the same process, y'all know what's going on. And there's my glass right there, so pretty good. Be nice to get all this swapped over and put power to it and see if it all works. That'd be sweet. All right, so the glass is looking good. I went ahead and I connected our motor down there, plugged it in, so that's looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna work on the cab spoiler rear lights. So I got it all set up right there. It's looking real good. Let's go ahead and put this slide back together and then get that bolted down, make it look nice. All right, check it out. Aftermarket speakers installed. That's gonna sound real nice over there. I mean, just a little upgrade, not too crazy. So I don't know if we need to mess with our amp or anything, but that should be good right there. Look at that thing, dang, awesome. Got my glass installed, aftermarket speaker, looking good. All right, guys, door panels are in. That's looking pretty good. Got this side, that side. We just threw the driver's side in for now because we're still missing the mirror, but that's okay. We just kind of put it on. I plugged it in, and right now we're gonna try to put power to the truck itself so we could see if our windows are working, if our dash is working. So that'll be awesome. So Ivan's playing around here with a bunch of jumper cables and ground cables and power cables, and hopefully we'll get power to the inside of the cab. Turn on some music. I mean, that'd be great. Test out our speakers. This may take a minute. And boom, guys, just like that, we got power. I got lights on the dash, the stereo's turning on, and Ivan's already hooking up his Bluetooth. I mean, that was the first thing he did. He's like,
hey, we put speakers in it, you know, and we have to try it out. So the radio's working, but you know, but for some reason the dash is not lighting up. I don't know if the
it says place key here. Maybe it's like a security thing or something.
Unless we have still stuff, the main fuse box not hooked up, or the computer maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, the windows are still not working. So
windows aren't working, but we do, like I said, the dash is lighting up. We are getting power inside. The lock was working. Lock and lock. I've seen that go on and off. Yep, I heard that. So that's cool.
And I bet you put the seats in. The seats should work too.
Yeah. Sweet progress. There we go, guys. Bluetooth is hooked up. Music's coming through. Nice. That is awesome.
Apparently it's -40 too. That's fine.
Yeah, our temperature gauge is probably off because there's literally no engine, so. Sweet. Do we have navigation? Antenna's not hooked up yet, since our ceiling isn't done yet. But hey, that's cool. Turning up the bass. All right, guys, so a lot of little tedious work, but it's definitely coming together. It's looking like a truck inside, and it's so awesome to see power in there. Definitely a relief, because it's like, man, did I miss a wire, but looking really good. So it's moving forward. Basically, later we have to either get this thing prepped for paint, or we'll work on the bed itself and the tailgate bumpers like that. There's still a lot of things to do on it, obviously, but thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check out our website, nikobrothers.com. We sell some merch. Really appreciate all the support from you guys. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.